super excited today because we're building a playground. £660. I wish I told the delivery drivers to put it around back. I'm gonna try to get it on this appliance dolly and wheel it to the backyard. Okay, so now time for the unboxing. Some excited kids waiting to unbox this thing. So one thing, if you didn't have a dolly, sweet appliance dolly like I did, then you can just take it one piece at a time. It would just take a little longer, but no worries to do that. Here's the swing. Okay, so this video is sponsored by Hapfan, who provided this awesome playground set that we're gonna build today. And yeah, I'm excited because I'm trying to build the best backyard ever for these kiddos. We got so many swings. We got a little kid swing there. We got this tree swing here, which is actually really cool, the tree surfboard. Kayak rack with this rope swing we just put. Go ahead, Kaylee, let's see it. Woohoo! This nice tree swing for the kids. The kids are really excited about this playground, so let's get to work. Really impressed. They give you all the hardware, and it seems like there's only 3 tools you need, and they give you the wrench included with a ratchet wrench, which is pretty sweet. And I think you just need 2 Allen keys, an M6 and an M8, and you're good to go. Okay, step 1 is to take A1, A2, and A3, and take your G7, G11, G12 hardware. So luckily everything's labeled really well. All the bags are labeled. And to connect these guys, so I think you gotta slide this guy in first, and then connect this guy here. Okay, so once you got those 4 holes aligned, then you take your bolt, put your nut on there. These instructions are pretty good. So step 2 is to attach these view bolts. So they're pre-assembled. You gotta just take them apart, and you wanna build them between the 2 washers. Okay guys, so we bottomed it out pretty much just till 5 threads, and then we're putting it up through the hole, which is fairly easy. You might have to push a little bit, and then put the 2 washers on, and then the first nut, and then the second nut. Okay, step 3 is attaching the swing legs to extend it out. Okay, take your bolt, put your washer on, another washer, another nut. Tighten it up. Alright, step 4, get this guy attached to the other guy. Yeah, they recommend 2 people, and I think it is 2-person job. Okay, step 7, you put on this supporting cross beam. Step 8 is to insert this protective sleeve. You need to put it on the other side too. Okay, so this is step 9. It's step 10. Put these guys on. You gotta put this bar with this thing. Step 11 is to test these pieces. Alright, this is step 12, adding the platform. Can you help me? Alright, we're all done with part 1 here, and we got a little deer visitor coming to check our work. Hey deer. Alright, let's get to part 2, where we gotta build this standalone stand, and that'll be connected by a tube. Let's get started. Okay, this is step 13. Okay, step 14 is to insert these poles in here. Okay, step 15. Alright, step 16 is just to connect all of these guys. Okay, this is step 17. We're gonna make the tunnel tube. Alright, this is step 18. You want to make sure to have the break point at one of these, and then just insert these guys. Okay, so I think at this point, it's still kind of light enough while it's in two parts to move it around quite a bit. But I think once you screw this down, you kind of want to probably only make light adjustments unless you got like 4 people to help you move all the sections together. So I think I'm pretty happy with this location. Got to make sure that swing line doesn't hit the back of the wood pile. I can move the wood pile though. So let's continue building. Okay, this is step 19. Just make sure that the labeled top is there. Then you can bolt everything in place. There's 2 size bolts, shorter bolt for the center and a longer bolt for each side. Okay, here's step 20, putting the slide together. This is the actual slide. It's made out of a canvas material. Got the top indicator. Okay, step 21. Got to attach these 3 pieces to stiffen up the slide. Okay, this is step 22. Insert these guys down. Okay, and now it's time to install these B4 crossbars. For whatever reason, they don't have the sticker label that everything else has. Okay, step 24, put these guys in. Okay, this is step 25. I gotta put 2 of these guys up top here and then 1 down there. Last step before we do the swings is to just tighten everything up. So that's it for the playground other than the swings. I'm just gonna go around and tighten everything up and assuring it's all done. All right, this is step 27. Just putting the swing together. Okay, step 27 is the install. Just take these carabiners, pop them on, lock them in place. Simple, simple, simple. And there it is, fully assembled. The whole playground, swing set, and everything. Looks pretty darn good. I think the kids are excited to get on this thing. But let's stake it down first, the last step. Okay, step 28, last step is take these long spikes and stake them into the ground. And just kind of twist it in. They give you a little pry bar that you can use to kind of help it go in. Okay, so completely staked down. This thing is ready to go. Honestly, this was a pretty easy build, I'd say. I mean, it took a while, probably took 5 to 6 hours to do this whole thing. Didn't have too much help. What I'm really impressed with is that they just stuck to the same hardware, you know, with 1 wrench that they provide, you can pretty much, and 2 Allen keys, you could do this whole job, which to me as a mechanical engineer, I'm very happy with. They made it pretty simple to build. Seems pretty sturdy. The stakes are pretty cool. Yeah, I'm excited to let my kids try this out. And yeah, quality seems pretty solid, pretty strong. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Let's see how the kids like it. All right, who's excited to go on the playground? All right, go get it, go get it. Kayuri, you're not excited? Woo! The first time they get to go on. Is it fun? Yeah. All right, I want you to try out everything, okay? You want to go too, baby? Kayuri, is it fun? Try the slide, try the slide. You swinging, baby? You swinging? Oh, you're going in the tunnel, Kaden? Woohoo! Oh, come on out, Kayuri. No, not break. Go ahead. You want to go down the slide? Careful, baby. Kayuri, you climbing, huh? You climbing. Hi, baby. Oh, back to the tunnel. Oh, can you do the monkey bars, Kaylee? Let's see it. Try your best. Let me see you try. I'll help you if you need help. But there's a better video here. Alright, let me come help you. Alright, ready? Go. 1, 2. Woo! Good job, Kaylee. So what do you guys think of the playground? Do you like the tire swing the best? What about you, Kaden? What's your favorite part? The swing? So you guys like the swings, huh? What about the slide? Second best? Yeah. What about the monkey bars? Okay. But you can practice, right? Okay, maybe you can do it soon. Here we go, up in the sky. Woohoo!